In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get custom skins on Minecraft Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as you can see, I am recording this video on my computer on Windows 11. However, the process is exactly the same on your Xbox. I'm only recording this video for convenience on my computer. So all you have to do after you open up Minecraft on your Xbox is you should be able to see your character at the right side of the screen over here in the main menu. Simply select dressing room and you will be taken to this page where you will be able to create a new skin. As you can see, you can select from the pre-existing ones you have or just create a new character. You can choose the classic skin or make a custom character by selecting item by item from the character list. As you can see, choose the base character and then you will be able to browse through every single item, including the bases for your body. You can look for hairs, different eyes, mouths, facial hairs. As you can see, most of them are available for free, and once you find one that you wish to use, simply select equip at the right. Like I said, you can go through every single one available and make your own custom skin. As you can see, you will be able to change every part and save it to one of the default characters you have on that screen. You can even change the clothes. As you can see here, you have a lot of free options that Mojang offers for free, or you can just buy custom ones made by other people with Minecoins. Once you finish making your own custom skin, and once everything is equipped, like I said, you simply have to finalize and save this custom skin that you've made. You can also use classic skin packs that you can find over here, and you have more options related to customization like emotes and capes. I hope I was able to help you on how to add custom skins to Minecraft Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.